All right, another wonderful day off, getting to visit San Diego. We are down by the water by the B Street Pier. We are just, kind of poking around the city down there. Hadn't explored that much of the actual city area. And we are about to go to an art installation called Wonderspace. My favorite installation of the show, we couldn't get any footage or anything of because it was a VR and it was called the dinner party. I'm not going to say that much more about it in case you ever have Wonderspace show up in a town near you. But if you do, it was just a fabulous day. I loved it, and I really, really enjoyed the dinner party um, piece of art. So, without further ado, we are going to head on in and check out some of the art that I can show you.
Always.
Thanks again, artists, for making all that cool stuff that we got to go see. And we are going to take a little drive over to the Hillcrest area where we're about to have some lunch. Here's just a little stop we made on the way. We were just checking out this footbridge. I can't even remember what got us here or why, but little view from this footbridge in a just residential neighborhood, it seemed to be. And when you see something like this labeled on your map, how do you not stop and check it out? So we are stopped in some random neighborhood on our way over to Hillcrest where this person just has all of these hedge art in their front lawn or their front hillside or whatever it is. So check it out. We enjoyed it. And last but not least, a nice cold beverage and a meal. Love eating so much. We had a great trip though. Thanks, Casey, for finding Wonderspace, and thanks everybody for watching, and hope you're enjoying your RV adventures too.